In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list with Zillow 2026 full guide. Zillow is still the go-to destination for home shoppers and listing your property for sale. By Owner can help you avoid the typical 6% commission while staying in full control. The best part is that as of 2026, Zillow still lets you post an FSBO listing for free, and it includes modern tools that help you compete with agent-listed homes. Start by heading to Zillow.com and signing in to your free account. If you're new, create one using the email you'll actually monitor for buyer inquiries. Hover over the Sell tab and choose Post a for Sale by Owner Listing. Enter your property address, and Zillow will often pre-fill details from public records. To verify ownership, you may be asked to authenticate by text or phone. Complete that step promptly so your listing can move forward without delays. Next, set your price. Look up comparable sales from the past 3 months in your immediate area and adjust for differences like condition, size, and upgrades. Pricing right out of the gate boosts visibility and avoids stale listing vibes. Write a concise description under 250 words that spotlights what truly makes your home stand out. Think acreage, recent remodels, or energy efficient improvements. Then confirm the home facts: square footage, lot size, year built, and all included appliances and amenities. Accuracy here matters because buyers and appraisers will cross-check this information. Visuals are where you win traffic. Download the free Zillow 3D Home app to create an immersive 360-degree tour. Listings with the 3D Tour badge typically earn about 50% more views in 2026. If you want a polished look, the app now integrates directly with cameras like the Insta360 X5 for one-click high-quality panoramas. Professional photography is also worth considering. For roughly a few $100s, you'll often get crisp interior shots, drone photos, and editing that can translate into a stronger sale price. If you're shooting yourself, use natural light, tidy every room, and maintain consistent framing. When your listing is live, provide a phone number you'll actually answer and respond quickly. Expect calls from buyers and often agents who may ask to represent you. Under Zillow's 2026 listing access standards, FSBO listings remain open and accessible to all buyers, helping maximize exposure and competition. Before you publish, review every field, check spelling and measurements, and then click Post for Sale by Owner.